Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has made the difficult but necessary decision to relieve PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III.
Isang matinding balita ang yumanig sa hanay ng kapulisan. Bigla ang pagsibak sa pwesto ng bagong PNP Chief General Nicolas Torre III. Ano nga ba ang tunay na dahilan sa likod ng kanyang pagka-relieve at sino ang pumalit sa kanya? Noong August 25, 2025, isang executive letter mula mismo sa Malacanang ang nag-utos ng agarang pagtanggal sa pwesto ni General Torre bilang hepe ng Philippine National Police. Walang warning, walang press con, diretso, relieve. Agad ding iniutos ang turnover ng lahat ng dokumento sa kanyang opisina. Ayon sa mga ulat, isa sa mga dahilan ay ang controversial na reshuffle ng mga matataas na opisyal ng PNP. Isang kilos na umano'y hindi pinayagan ng NAPOLCOM. Ayon kay Senador Ping Lacson, dating PNP chief din, si Torre ay kumilos lampas sa kanyang kapangyarihan. Hindi raw ito nagpaalam sa NAPOLCOM at lalong hindi sa Pangulo. Sa gitna ng kontrobersya, agad namang itinalaga si Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. bilang bagong chief ng PNP. Si Nartates, dating Deputy Chief for Administration, ay isa sa mga pinaka-senior sa hanay. At ayon sa ilang source, siya talaga ang original choice ng palasyo. Ayon sa ulat ng Politico.com.ph, may tinatawag na turf war o banggaan ng kapangyarihan sa pagitan ni Torre at ilang opisyal ng NAPOLCOM at DILG. Naglabas kasi ng direktiba ang NAPOLCOM na binabawi ang mga inilipat na opisyal, isang malinaw na sampal sa otoridad ni Torre. Isang tanong na maaaring hindi agad masasagot, ngunit sa gobyerno, walang aksyon ang walang dahilan. At sa harap ng media, humarap si DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla upang ipaliwanag ang tunay na dahilan sa likod ng controversial na pagkakaalis sa pwesto ni PNP Chief General Nicolas Torre III.
I have a statement from our department. The palace affirms that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has made the difficult but necessary decision to relieve PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III of his duties. The President believes that his national security apparatus must always work within the framework of the law. With the recent developments, the President was presented with the facts, and he determined that the best course of action is to uphold the role of NAPOLCOM as it was intended by law. As part of this resolution, the President decided to relieve Police General Torre. This was not an easy choice, but it was made in the national interest. The President is committed to ensuring a unified direction and collaboration across all areas in his cabinet, particularly those responsible for delivering security, peace, and order. The President expresses his thanks and gratitude to Police General Torre, as his brief tenure brought new life and energy into the PNP. Nevertheless, the mission must continue. The Filipinos must be safe. To this end, the President has directed the incoming PNP Chief, General Nartates, together with the Secretary of the Interior Local Government, to present within 1 month a comprehensive citizen security strategy focused on increasing police presence throughout the country and ensuring that every Filipino feels secure in their communities. That's all.
Comment ang inyong opinion sa baba at huwag kalimutang i-like, share at mag-subscribe para sa mas marami pang political expose dito.